What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a really exciting house to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to 1021 Westdale Drive. Let's go check this out. What's going on, guys? It's Nav here, and we're back with another house tour. We're currently at 1021 Westdale Drive. It's in Oakville, right across Lake Ontario. We're currently at a listing, a brand new listing by Saghi. She's part of the team Palace Row here in Toronto, and it's a custom modern home, almost 7,000 square foot of living space. So I'm really excited. Let's go hop inside and see what this house is all about. Anyone home?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great, thanks
for having us.
Come on in.
Wow, this place is beautiful.
Yes.
Let me start off by saying, Saghi, the first impression I got the moment I drove into this lot, it's huge.
We have a brand new construction home. We've got 5 full bedrooms upstairs, 8 full bathrooms in the house, over 7,000 square feet of space on 3 stories.
Nice.
With a private backyard and its own pool.
That's insane. And one thing I just noticed is the massive windows in this house, especially right here. Is this the dining room?
Yes, this is the formal dining room with its own butler's pantry just off the side. Nice. And what you're seeing just next door is Wilder Park. So these windows face the park and you just have green and trees along the side of the house.
Beautiful.
It's very private.
Yeah, absolutely. I really haven't seen something like this, especially in Oakville, being so close to the lake. Yeah. By the way, are we keeping our shoes on or what's happening with that?
We can leave our shoes on. We are still about 90% complete in the construction process.
Okay.
So we'll keep them on for now.
Okay, for now we'll keep them on.
Over here is the formal family room. We've got a fireplace. We keep it separate from the rest of the house to maintain more privacy. Yeah. And it overlooks the front, landscaping, the flowers, the trees. Another
thing I just noticed is the ambient lighting by the baseboards. That's a really nice touch. I could just picture it at night, going for a cup of water. Very calming, it's very peaceful, and it definitely adds a nice touch to the home.
It's a great feature, and we actually have it along all of the stairs from the basement all the way up. So you have this lighting throughout the whole house. Yeah. Over here, we've got our living room. You walk right in, you've got a double-sided fireplace, all glass. You've got sliding doors that overlook the whole backyard and the pool.
So double-sided fireplace, and what's the room behind it?
Oh, the office.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you have a fireplace in the office as well?
Yeah.
That's insane.
So the kitchen was entirely designed by Saghi.
Okay.
Saghi is the best known in the industry for their attention to detail and their design features. The appliances are Thermador appliances. We've got a beautiful 6-range gas stove.
Wow.
And Thermador freezer and fridge.
We would need to hire a chef for a kitchen like this.
This is your ultimate chef's kitchen.
Yeah, definitely a dream kitchen.
Yeah, this massive island is one of the highlighting features. It's got undermount lighting, soft closed doors.
Wow.
And
actually, let's get a shot of this. That's really cool. Take a look at that. That is actually something really unique. I haven't seen that in many homes.
Yeah.
The fact that you have lighting in the drawers, I'm very impressed with this. You know what? I didn't even ask you, what are we expecting to list this property at in the market?
Oh, we're listing for $5,490,000.
$5,490,000. You heard that here first. Where does this take us?
Oh, This is a great little feature. So, behind these solid wood doors, this leads us right to the outdoor space, which the owners are going to be putting in a fireplace here.
You know what? This is a lot of space. Imagine the parties you can host, all the family and friends. You know, I could just imagine with the fireplace here, having a TV as well, and spending so much family time in here, maybe watching some of the sport games, having some friends over. I think the possibilities are endless. There's a lot of key points here that I'm just kind of envisioning as a buyer, especially with this backyard and the lot size. I think you mentioned, what was the lot size?
We've got 100 frontage,
100
200
frontage.
depth.
So that's almost half an acre.
Almost half an acre.
That's very impressive. Okay, it's getting a little cold. Maybe we should get back inside.
So on the other side of this double-sided glass fireplace, you can actually see right through to the office, overlooking the pool.
Wow.
Tons of custom cabinetry built in for all of your books.
And I love this. This is a piece of art on its own. Besides the fact that they've actually placed artwork on the artwork itself, I mean, this is some really nice custom millwork. Now, I know you mentioned before I arrived, one of the biggest features of this home is the staircase and right what's above it, right? So,
oh, yeah.
Are we in for a treat here?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Let's take a look upstairs. So you can see already the windows, the skylights, there's tons of natural light. We've got 5 bedrooms upstairs, 5 full bathrooms, and a laundry room. And all
I'm guessing this is the master?
This is the master. Yeah,
Beautiful.
So come on in, take a look at the master. So we've got 4 other bedrooms in the house.
Okay.
Yeah, so this bedroom is actually the smallest out of the 5 full bedrooms that we have. And look at the spacing.
This is, I mean, from, again, my experience, I've seen a lot of condos as well. And this is like almost 2 times the size of a condo bedroom. So for this to be the smallest in the house,
shocking.
It's definitely it's definitely very shocking. Look at this view. I mean, I just can't get over it. And I'm guessing you could see the lake from here. I mean, yeah, I could see the lake from here.
So I want to show you one more bedroom in the house before we wrap things up.
Sure. I'm guessing it's that one?
Yes, right to the end. Here we have one of our laundry rooms. We have another full one downstairs. And this bedroom has a full walk-in closet,
nice,
lake views, and a full ensuite with heated floors.
With heated floors.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning. Okay, so this is the basement.
Yes. Heated floors. The whole basement. The whole basement is heated. Yeah. Do you hear your echo?
I do hear the echo, but I'm guessing it's because we're not furnished. And, you know, we're waiting for the buyers to come in and move in and make it really feel like a home. Right?
Right.
That's right. Okay, so Saghi, first off, I want to say thank you very much for having us.
You're welcome.
The house is absolutely beautiful. Guys, this house is soon to hit the market, hopefully in the next week or 2 when things finish up. So make sure to contact her. I'll leave her contact information down in the description below. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate the support. Make sure to smash that like button and that subscribe button so you guys can keep up with the latest content. But my name is Nav. This is Saghi. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.